Welcome to pre-shorted house. Students, 100 words a minute legal judgment special dictation for Punjab and Haryana High Court चंडीगढ़। जिन स्टूडेंट्स का स्किल टेस्ट 27 फरवरी को है और जिन स्टूडेंट्स का नेक्स्ट स्टेनोग्राफी की वैकेंसीज के लिए सीपीटी का टेस्ट का डेट आई है मार्च में 6 मार्च एंड 13 मार्च। वो ध्यान रखें कि अपनी प्रैक्टिस करें अच्छे से। बड़ी मुश्किल से ये चांसेस मिलते हैं। जैसे अब ये स्टूडेंट्स स्किल टेस्ट के लिए जाएंगे तो अपने आप में ये ओनली 5 और 6% स्टूडेंट हैं जिन्होंने फॉर्म फिलअप किया और सीपीटी क्लियर किया। तो अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, बार बार इन डिक्टेशन को लेके 10 बार लिखिए। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर लीगल डिक्टेशन आपको बहुत मिलेंगी, 80 वर्ड से मिनट और 100 वर्ड से मिनट, और अब वो भी मिलेंगी। तो अब मेरा अपना मानना है कि कम से कम 5 से 7 ट्रांसक्रिप्शन तो आपको करनी है और 10-12 लीगल डिक्टेशन आप लिखिए और अदर प्रैक्टिस लीगल वर्ड्स की जरूर कीजिए। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The parties in this case are 4 brothers and 1 sister. They have equal shares in 2 properties at Todar Mal Road, New Delhi and Karol Bagh, New Delhi. An award for partitioning these 2 properties among these brothers and sister has become final, and it has been held that each of them will have 20% share in the property. This court-wide order dated May 2nd, 2008 observed that the award was to be executed as decree, and as per the award, properties are to be sold and shares distributed. Full stop. This court observed, and it would be appropriate that in the first instance attempt is made for inter-se bidding. On 11 September 2008, the court was told that inter-se bidding was not possible, and at the request of parties, a valuer was appointed for valuation of the 2 properties. Full stop. As per valuer report, the property at Todar Mal Road was worth rupees 8 crores and the property at Karol Bagh was worth rupees 2 crores. Full stop. In view of the valuer report, the total value of the properties comes to rupees 10 crores, and the share of each of the brothers oblique sister comes to rupees 2 crores. Full stop. Dr. Harish Uppal had made an application under section 3 subsection 1 of the Transfer of Property Act 1893, read with section 151 of CPC, wherein he has prayed that the first floor on Todar Road may be sold to JD4 under section 3 subsection 1 of Partition Act at the price ascertained by the valuer, and this price may be set off against his share, and if there was any further amount due, the same shall be paid by JD4. Full stop. There is another similar application made by another decree holder, namely Mrs. Indra Uppal. Full stop. She had prayed that she opts to buy full property of Karol Bagh at the valuation done by valuer, and she was prepared to pay the difference between her share and the value of the property as assigned by the valuer. Full stop. The applications are opposed by other decree holders. Full stop. During arguments, it transpired by the arguments of the parties that the valuation done by the valuer does not reflect true market value of the properties. Full stop. Even according to Dr. Harish Uppal living in Karol Bagh property have got the values of property fixed through the valuer in such a manner that the value of property at Karol Bagh comes almost equal to one share, and the JD living in the property wants to take benefit of this. Full stop. It was also submitted that the valuation of Toddermal Road property was also not done as per market value, and the market value of the property was more than what has been assigned by the valuer. Full stop. While Dr. Uppal is interested in purchasing one floor of the property at Toddermal Road, other JDs want to have their preference for Karol Bagh house against their share and pay the differences. Full stop. Stop.